I'm Kelly with Centric, here to bring you another week of Live Better tips. Let's continue our journey toward a joyful and financially responsible holiday season. Savvy shopping strategies. Take advantage of online deals and discounts for stress-free Christmas shopping. Use price comparison tools to find the best value for your gifts. And do-it-yourself decorations. Get creative and craft your Christmas decorations to save money. Involve your kiddos and family members in the process to make it fun. Smart credit use. If using credit cards for holidays expenses, aim to pay off the balance in full to avoid interest charges. Use credit card rewards and cash back to maximize your savings. And don't forget, you earn double rewards points on all your purchases when using your Centric Visa Credit Card during November and December. Find these tips and more at mycentric.org.